Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. In the last video, we learned how to register the user and how to log in with registered user. In this video, we are going to learn how to add product and how to see the product in data grid view. Now without wasting the time, let's get started. This is the view of product. Here we have added some text box and text blocks. Here I have added text block for product name and text box to enter the product name. This we will see how I have pointed this text property. Like this, we have added some more text box for price, stock and one combo box for product category. I have pointed the name of the product model. So where this product is? Inside the product view model, we have the product property. Okay. And in the product model, we have the field called ID, name, category, price and stock. Okay. And we have two buttons here. One is save and reset. And I have pointed the save button command to save command. So we will see the save command implementation. This is the save command and here we have the implementation of this method. So this is the repository and this repository is responsible for adding the product to database. So let's first see the repository. This is our iProduct repository where I have added some method to add, update, read, delete and read the list of products. This I have implemented in product repository. So here I am injecting appdb context which is used to connect to the database. So this is the add product method. So we'll use the context products and dot add means here we will add the product to the products table. So for this products table I have added one field in appdb context of type db set of product. And after adding any db set we have to update the database by using update database command. Now for update we have similar thing like first we will find the product with ID and update this product with required details. Okay, and we will call the save change method so it will update to the database and save to the database. Okay, and this is to read the product. Here I want to read only one product, that's why the return type is product. To delete we will find the product first in database, then we will delete the product from the table. Okay, this is the method from where we will get list of products from the database. This is our product repository. Okay, so here we will save the product to database. What is this? This is product service and here I have injected this product service. What is it? So first we'll see this. Here I have added one field called products which is observable collection of product. Inside the constructor I am creating the object of product. In the add product method I am adding the product to the collection and in the remove product method I am removing the product from the collection. Why I have created this product service? This I will show you later. And after that reset the UI. Okay, means our UI will set to the default value. And this is reset command. For this we will call only reset method. Okay, and inside the reset method I am creating the new object of the product what I have binded and I am setting category to product category which is the list of product category. This is the thing what we have binded to the category. Okay, this is the one. This is the category from the product model which will bind to the selected item. Okay, this is all about the product view model. Okay, now we'll try to add one product. Okay, let's see. Let's go to this. Let's expand it and I will go to products and here I will add prod1 and then here we can select any type. I will select furniture and here I will set price to this and stock this and I will click on save. Okay, now it is reset to the default value, right? Price is 0, stock quantity 0 and category electronics, right? And this we can see here in the inventory view. You can see it here how it's added to this, because if you see, okay, in inventory view we have data grid and I have binded item source to products which is available in inventory view model, and on the load of this view we will load the product. You can see the load product method. Here we will read from the database and we will add the product to the list. So this is the product service what I showed you this thing because I want to share this product from the product view model to inventory view model. That's why I have created one service that will add to the observable collection and that collection, and from this inventory view model also we can add to the collection. Okay, and from product view model we can access this. Okay, like if you see here also we are able to add here and here also we are able to add. Okay, now as it is added to the collection, that's why we are able to see this to the list. Okay, and now if you see here, we have save button and delete button, so we can delete this and this will remove from the collection. Okay, so first let's see the save command. Here we have save command and here we are updating the product. Okay, this method will update the product to our database, right? And the delete method will delete from the database as well as from the collection, so that it will remove from the UI. Okay, so now let's edit it. Okay, first let's open the database and see data first. Inside the inventory DB we have products table and we can see the record here. Here we can see the record, right? Now let's delete one product from this list. Okay, now let's execute again and now we can see that product is removed from the database, right? So this is how we can add the product and update the product and delete the product. I hope you learn how to add the product and show to the UI and also edit and delete the products. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.